Much requested tutorial video today using the Sistaco It's a Powder Not a Polish range. So quick and easy for you to do yourself at home. And today we're going to be doing a beautiful French tip tutorial. So this is the look that we're going to be showing you, or I'm going to be showing you how to do today. It's nice and easy, and this took me about maybe 2 minutes. So let's get into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your base coat and you're going to pop that one just only on the tips where you want your French to start. Okay, so super quick, just go in like so, just over that tip. And just do the same for all of your fingers. So you can see how easy this is. I'm not being careful with it. I'm just literally just popping the base over where I want my tips to begin. Like so. Last one, pinky, same thing, popping my base over. So once that's done, what we're going to do is we're going to pop it under the LED lamp. So the great thing about the system is it comes with your beautiful LED lamp. Now this one is not UV, which is good. And it comes with any 3 colors of your choice in the deluxe set or any 6 colors of your choice in our ultimate set. Now I actually have a discount code for you today. So if you use the code NAILS20 on our deluxe or our ultimate sets at checkout, you'll get $20 off all of the sets. So your colors come in these beautiful pots, which I am obsessed with, and pop the lid off and you've got your beautiful Sistaco powder. So that light has finished now. So all we're going to do is we're just going to take our little applicator brush, so this one here, and I'm just going to dip it. You don't need much for the French look, so just dip it in your powder. Pop our nails up here and we're just going to go over that tip section. Now, you don't have to only touch the area that you've put the base because it's only going to actually adhere to where the base is. So look how easy that is. You can see I'm not being careful with it. I'm just popping it anywhere. A little bit more. And if you want a bit more intense color, you can just kind of flip a little bit over it again. So same thing, you can see, not being careful, I'm just popping it over like so. So that's what you've got so far. And then all you're going to do is literally just run your finger over the nail, and that's just going to get rid of any of that excess that was below. Can you see that? See how it's just getting rid of, and any of the more stubborn parts, just brush off. One last one. Now any powder around on the excess around the skin is just going to come off at the end. So this is the look, what we've got now. And then we're just going to go back in with our gloss top coat. So the good thing about this is it's actually going to go over the whole nail. It's going to give you that strength that you're after. It's going to give you that beautiful glossy finish. And it is so easy. And that's just a clear top coat, obviously. Same thing on the last nail here. Done. Look at that. Then we're just going to pop that one under the little LED again, and another 60 seconds and you can literally walk out the door. So we all know, and we've all had experiences, you do your nails, you wait, and then still somehow 20 minutes later you look down and one is just completely smudged. You will never get that with this system. 60-second dry time and you're literally ready to go. So the Sistaco system is so easy, so you can finally say goodbye to expensive manicures, to manicures that are full of toxins. So that one's come out now, and all we're going to do is we're just going to take our cloth and, like, obviously if you're at home, just wash your hands, which is what I usually do, but as I'm on camera, I'm just going to wipe over my nails, wipe my hands, and I am all done. I've got my French tips. It took me 2.5 minutes and I'm ready to go. Dry and finished. How easy, how quick. That's Sistaco system. So like I said, NAILS20 is the code. You can mix your own colors. You can do any colors of your choice. We have holographic colors. We have beautiful neutral colors like this one, which is one of my personal favorites. This is the marshmallow. Look at that. Such easy everyday wear color. So That's all from me today, guys. Hope that was a helpful tutorial, and I would love to see your photos of you trying the French tip. You can do it with any color as well. It doesn't have to be white. And yeah, so send them through. Thanks so much. Bye.